watch number 9, effective until 1 a.m. Central Standard
First
Time
TOA
Sunday.
of 2025.
This watch includes
Finnegan's
the following
joining in.
counties: in Kentucky, Allen and Monroe, and the following counties: in Tennessee, Clay, Davidson, Jackson, Macon, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, and Wilson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television
saying
outlets,
hello.
or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In national